The announcement of the new medical school in 2009 was a momentous occasion for South Jersey.
It's something that is of great significance to southern New Jersey. Certainly the city of Camden, it's of enormous importance psychologically as well as practically, given the number of new employees and students that will be on the campus.
Governor Corzine announced the new medical school. What we saw was a renewed sense of purpose among our faculty, our doctors, and while we had done very well recruiting great physicians from around the country, from Chicago, from Cleveland, from Florida, and from just across the river in Philadelphia, we are getting more and more inquiries about our staff positions that are available, and I think a large part of that is attached to the announcement of the new medical school.
And I think what it does is it opens the door for there to be yet other professional programs added to it, augmenting what we already have. And so it's not just a state college with a medical school. It's going to be a university with a host of programs at the undergraduate, graduate, and professional levels that really becomes the de facto University of South Jersey and gives the entire region something to be proud of.
While we don't have definitive proof at this level, we're pretty sure that this will have a large impact on southern New Jersey. I'd like to talk first specifically about the city of Camden. It's going to have an economic impact on the city of Camden. It will bring in jobs. It will bring health care to the residents of that city. Cooper University Hospital already sees a large number of Camden residents in their facility. So this will enhance the opportunity for the city residents to have world-class doctors. And then in southern New Jersey, as you know, there aren't very many medical schools, so students tend to leave the state of New Jersey to get their medical education, and even leave the United States to get their medical education. So this is another opportunity to stay right here in the state, in this region of the state, where we'll have a crop of well-trained doctors right here for us.
Well, a medical school is an enormously exciting project because there are 2,700 universities and colleges that offer the baccalaureate degree in this country, and only 131 of them offer medical school. So when you do the math, you realize we're in the top 4% or so of all the colleges and universities, and having that as part of our curriculum.
Our first class will enter medical school in the summer of 2012 and will graduate 4 years later in 2016. There will be 50 students in our charter class. We will increase that over time, probably to around 100 students per year, which is a good number and a very manageable number. So that's our goal, and we'll ramp up to that 50 to 100 number and over a several year period.
I would say if you're a prospective student at Rowan University, what's significant about the medical school is, as it was with the engineering college, it places Rowan University at a higher plateau and plane, not only within our region, but within the United States. It's a difference when you obtain a law school, medical school, engineering facility, or otherwise. You place yourself among the elite in the country in academic institutions. In the last decade and a half, Rowan University has grown from what it previously was and the reputation it enjoyed to the hierarchy of institutions in this country.
Cooper Medical School of Rowan University will enhance the university's reputation and enhance the value of the degrees that our students receive.
The fact that this medical school will arise from a marriage between two great institutions, the Cooper Health System and Rowan University, the opportunity for us to meld those resources will really allow us to do some very special things that will have far-reaching implications, not just in Camden, not just in South New Jersey, but regionally and nationally. It's wonderfully exciting to be able to be part of that.